Welcome to RaceToyTime!
Hi guys, RaceToyTime here. Today I'm going to show you another Playmobil set, and this is the Superset Country Life. And let's start building now. Then let's set up the well. Then let's make a tree. Then we're going to put some vegetables like carrots on the soil bed, right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 7 carrots. Now I'm going to show you the animals that came with this playset. Here's the sheep. Here's a young cow or a calf. A lamb or a young sheep, and rats. Here's the farmer with a watering can. Here's a little girl, and she helps in the farm. And this young boy also helps. Then I'm going to show you some farming tools. We have the scythe, rake, pitchfork, and a wheelbarrow. So those are the farming tools, and now let's put the roof on the well. Then I'm going to show you how to play with the well. And the nice thing about this well, you can put water in it. Okay, let's put the scythe here. Then the pitchfork and the rake right there. And by the way, I'm going to add some animals to the farm. Here's the goat and a young goat or a kid, a donkey, then chickens. Here's a rooster, a hen, and chicks. And I'm also going to add 2 pigs. Here's a puppy and a cat. Then I'm going to place the farmer here. The girl's gonna feed the lamb with milk. And here's the boy, he's going to harvest some vegetables. And the farmer's going to water the carrots. But first, he's going to get water from the well. Now let's pour the water in the can. Then let's water the carrots. A few days passed. Now the boy is going to harvest the carrots. Let's help him. Well, for now, let's get 3 and then we'll get the rest later. And by the way, I'm going to add a house for the chickens. And lastly, I'm going to add a young horse or a foal. Now let's feed the animals. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed that Playmobil playset. Don't forget to subscribe and click those thumbnails to watch more fun videos here at RaceToyTime channel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.